Hi. Is that seriously the shirt you wore today to check into Costa Rica?
I want them to know what's up. Yeah,
So?
everybody got a good laugh out of it.
Oh, great.
Yeah. Well, now they know. It's one less question for them to have to ask. I am Warren.
And I am Erica. And together,
we are We Sail.
A year ago, we left on a journey of a lifetime, sailing around the world living the gypsy life. We have been living a dream that most wait a lifetime to do. Join us as we travel the world one nautical mile at a time. Our arrival into Costa Rica was a much-anticipated trip. Both Warren and I were looking forward to soaking in the pure life of this beautiful country, as well as the new adventures that come along with sailing on the Pacific side of Costa Rica, one that is not done nearly as much as the Caribbean side, giving us a whole new perspective. Howdy, bun.
I just can't be bothered with too much right now.
Why? Are you tired from our passage?
I'm tired from the passage, I'm hot, and I'm so comfortable.
How was our passage?
Man, we had some wind. Oh! Screaming! Our readout was showing crazy numbers.
Yeah, we were going, what? At one point it was probably 35 knots. We took in our third reef.
We were fully reefed, which means the sails were all the way down, and we showed 38 knots on the wind indicator at one time. And we had 30 to 32 sustained, which is just crazy.
Yeah.
But we were going 8 to 9 knots for a good hour or two.
Ooh, yeah. And now?
And now it's just time to relax and enjoy Costa Rica!
Pura vida! Here we are. While you were napping, guess what I already saw?
What?
2 macaws. We have made it to Costa Rica.
We're checked in?
Checked in, ready to go. We've been cleared through quarantine. We have no coronavirus. We can stay. So we're gonna hang out here for a little while. Woohoo! It was a rather long and different clearing process than normal because of coronavirus. Once arriving to Costa Rica, we really had no idea what this virus was because of our lack of news on board or what that even meant for us being out here. But for the moment, we were simply happy to have cleared into a new country and were ready to live the Pura Vida way. Just swaying with the swell right now. And Warren's making lunch. There he is.
Beautiful sandwiches.
Oh, well done, honey bun.
Thank you.
But we are just relaxing, anchored outside of Iguana Lodge, just off of the Osa Peninsula here in Costa Rica. And we're going to be staying here for a while. But we plan on just kind of hanging out here, making it our home, explore inland, go to the jungle, see some animals.
Hug a sloth.
Hug a sloth. Warren wants to hug a sloth. And Warren wants to surf, of course. And what better place to do that than right here? And so we spent the first week of our time in Costa Rica doing what we do best. Hang out on the boat and soak in the surroundings of yet another beautiful destination. Oh my God! He's the biggest dolphin ever! Oh, hi, buddy! Huge!
Where'd go? Where's our dolphin friend?
Oh, there he is. He is coming.
He is coming towards us.
Oh, nice.
Come here, homie. All right, so you guys ready for this?
This is a wild
Beach break, entry, landing, yeah.
It's okay, because I got my swimmers on. I'm just going to bail.
Bail off, okay.
You look forward and I'll do this till go.
Okay.
You watch my expression.
Yeah, okay.
Trips to the beach were a little different now that we were on the Pacific side, with a tide ranging of up to 20 feet, and more so that we were not really tucked away from the swell in this anchorage. So our approach needed to be timed just right with the breaking surf.
Okay, go for it, honey. Now here's the hard part.
Good job.
No wheels. Okay.
This would be one of the many daring attempts to the beach in the dinghy, with some even by night, making it for a very wet ride home.
Well, I have to say this is a pretty cool experience. The fact that I've been to Iguana Lodge at the Osa Peninsula in Costa Rica twice before, and I'm back here again with my husband on our sailboat, anchored out there. And it's just such a cool experience to be back here again and see this place, be anchored out right where I was probably 8 years ago, I think it was. So we're really excited to be back here. It's just as I remembered it. I love it. It's such a beautiful place, and happy to spend a little bit of time here exploring and relaxing, enjoying all the scenery that it has to offer.
What do you think? Pretty nice.
I'm so excited that we're back here. Well, that I'm back here. I love it. Do you love it?
I love it.
Our friends Lauren and Toby have owned and lived down here for over 20 years. They've always been so gracious, and when we said we were sailing to the Osa Peninsula, they said to come on by. So we spent a few days enjoying their little piece of paradise.
Babe, what do you think of this place?
This is absolutely amazing.
Isn't it
I
beautiful?
just can't believe how lucky we are.
I know.
This is just gorgeous.
I'm so excited that we were able to sail here, that I could show you this place.
We sailed here, yup. Deeper than I thought.
Yeah.
Can't beat this.
How do we manage to share this moment with the world right now?
Wrong way, you have to go that way. You can see in the background.
On Tuesday nights, Iguana Lodge has an incredible spread of food for a barbecue on the beach. We ended another perfect day by treating ourselves to a magical evening on the beach, giving so much thanks to truly how lucky we are and blessed we are able to live the life we've always dreamed of.
Oh, I love when he does that. It's so funny.
I'm not entirely sure what Warren is doing, but from inside the boat it sounds like he's just jumping around. So I wonder if he's just trying to get these birds out of the mast.
Hey, get out of here.
What are you doing?
It's 3 against 1, honey. It's not even fair.
What? Are they just nesting already?
They're nesting and pooping all over our freaking boat. It's all over the windows in the front of the boat.
Oh.
They're so annoying.
Can you look? They don't seem to be scared of you.
Oh, they're scared, all right. I've locked down that thing. They can't be there. Just about that.
Where were they before? Were they just nesting inside the sailbag?
Yes.
Ah.
You gotta get tired of just hovering around here without being able to land. Boy, that's frustrating, huh, bud?
I told you. I thought I heard some chaos going on out here. Oh my god, you're cracking me up. It sounds horrible inside with you walking around doing what you're doing.
I'm gonna rig something up. I can't take it. I can't stand out there any longer.
Just driving me crazy.
Yes.
He is still at it. Oh my god. If anyone can figure out something to rig up, it's gonna be Warren. Keep these swallows away from our boat. What the flying?
Ha ha ha! Woo! How you like me now? Got another trick. Boom.
Oh great. You're just gonna get shit so tangled right now.
Kind of caught up here.
Yeah. Not such a good plan after all.
Thanks. I'm the one protecting our boat. Not like you're gonna clean it.
Whoa.
Okay. Yeah, you guys don't like that, do ya? Uh-oh. There we go. Uh-oh.
Oh my
This
god.
is... Come on. Please go back around.
Seriously.
Watching Warren rig up this new bird be gone tool and scare off the swallows was just the right amount of entertainment for the day.
That's working. Where's that third dude? Well, they're out of here. See you later! I'll be right here if you want a second round. Look at that.
Bunch of fish.
It's just like boiling right there.
Yeah. Wonder if there's a whale there.
Could be that big dolphin. Oh yeah, there we go.
See? What I mean? Warren and I are gonna go for. Where are you going now?
I'll do some work up front real quick.
Oh, well, we are gonna go paddle into the beach, and Warren's gonna surf a little bit while we're here. Everything's kind of on lockdown, but it's really nothing out of the norm for us and how we live day to day. But we're in a beautiful place, and it's really not crazy populated, so we can go to town and go to shore and just really enjoy where we are right now. So we'll take the paddles and head in and surf, just hang out on the beach. It's a bit of a strange situation going on, obviously, because of the coronavirus. Things have certainly quieted down in the last couple of days, and every single day changes for the most part in terms of what's open and available. But nothing has really affected us pretty immediately. As of yet, there's basically nobody around. So we'll paddle in, Warren's gonna surf a little bit, just hang out, and yeah, it's pretty nice. Very quiet. We don't know how to act differently than what we've had for the last year. And we just feel for all of our family and friends and everyone else around the world that are just dealing with this a little bit more severely than we are.
This is not easy. Using the paddle board so I can get up front here, and I'm mounting just a little mount that I've got so that I can tie a rope to it, to the bridle. It's hard to explain, but when the bridle swings back, we need it to be more narrow to go into the chain locker.
For the anchor.
Yeah, so this rope will have no effect when the bridle is under tension, but as it swings back, it should pull back a little noose that I built, I guess.
Okay.
Best thing I can describe it as.
Maybe you should have done that earlier this morning when it was dead calm.
Yeah.
Not a lot of movement.
Yeah, I'm not doing so hot.
Do you think it would have been easier on the dinghy?
Yeah, for sure.
Come here, board. Oi. Okay, here we go. Whoa. Hard to paddle with one arm and have a GoPro.
Paddle! Paddle! Woo! You got it, go! Yeah! Not so bad. It's kind of fun.
How was Brick City, man?
Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to get reminders of new episodes, and also consider being our patron to get some exclusive content from We Sail. Join us next episode when we start to feel the squeeze from the coronavirus lockdown here in Costa Rica.
No more sitting.
But nothing tight enough to keep us from enjoying our time on the water.
Stop touching that.
No standing here, I guess.
No more fun.